righty then. Our entry number 1, Grossmont High School Navy Junior Reserve Officer Training Corps. There, as soon as they get over the tracks. Shout out to our friendly police officers on the motorcycles. Little hand for them. La Mesa Police, giving the full escort. Thank you, sirs. So now passing is the Grossmont High School Navy Junior ROTC Battalion, commanded by Cadet Lieutenant Commander Island Rivera. The battalion consists of 150 cadets, both male and female. They compete in numerous local and regional competitions. The very professional color guard is commanded by Cadet Master Petty Officer Austin Smith. The all-service flags are commanded by Cadet Lieutenant Commander Hunter Edge. The United States territorial flags are commanded by Cadet Lieutenant Trevor Russell. And how about the colorful 50-state flag platoon led by Cadet Lieutenant Dejon Jackson? Here's the talented unarmed exhibition drill team led by Cadet Lieutenant Junior Grade Liana Barfield. Next is the armed exhibition drill team led by Cadet Chief Petty Officer Dane Travis. There's something for everyone in the Navy Junior ROTC. A big job, well done to all the cadets. Let's show our appreciation for their hard work and dedication.
Coming up next, we have the 3rd Marine Aircraft Wind Band. The 3rd Marine Aircraft Wind Band represents one of the 10 top Marine Corps field bands serving across the United States of America.